No matter what way we turn the handle, the bit only turns in one direction. Today's video is going to be a little bit unique because I'm going to demonstrate a ratcheting screwdriver that has a trick up its sleeve that I have never seen before. The screwdriver is made by Craftsman. It does have a hardened plastic handle with a black rubber grip on top of it. It feels really good in your hand. The bits are held in place mechanically with a retainer ring. They're not going to go anywhere once you insert them into the tool. The handle also stores extra bits. The tool itself comes with 7 double-ended sided bits. 6 of those store inside the handle. And just like any other ratcheting drive, it'll work going forward, or you can reverse that direction and it will ratchet in the opposite direction. But the mechanism inside gives it another little nifty feature that I have never seen before. If you hang on to the neck of the screwdriver and you turn the handle, well, it will turn one direction, as you can see. However, if you turn the handle backwards, it will continue to turn the same direction, which doubles the speed of your ratcheting screwdriver. And it works in both directions, so if you want to go the other way, well, you could do that as well. This screwdriver is perfect for long-winded screws such as those on outlets. You can basically screw them in twice as fast as a regular ratcheting screwdriver. Driving in the same screw using the screwdriver as a standard ratcheting screwdriver, well, it's great, but it is half the speed. And now we're tight. So now you can see why this screwdriver would be really handy, and it's probably why it's called the Speed Drive. The internal mechanism is buttery smooth, and I don't know what the click count is, but it's extremely high. Just a little bit of turning on the handle and you can hear those clicks. I like the screwdriver. It feels really good in my hand. I will put a link down below in case you're interested in purchasing this screwdriver. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos. At the very least, you might be entertained.